We are sitting here with our service director, Melissa Corken. We have some questions for her that she can hopefully help clarify. We want service to be a place where you can come in and feel comfortable and know what you're doing and feel confident. And so she's going to give us some good insight. So one of the biggest questions we get is, can this wait, right? So we're going to have Melissa kind of go through what's urgent versus what's recommendations.
There are some safety things which are going to be more urgent than any sort of recommendation that we have for maintenance, okay? A safety item is going to be something that the steering doesn't feel right. Well, you might have a pretty violent vibration going down the road. That's what contacts the vehicle to the road. So I would consider that safety. I would say come in and get that done right away. Maintenance items are, is the oil change due? I see 30% on my oil life monitor. We don't want to wait too long, but we do have some time in that case. You're out someplace and the vehicle's not starting, or it doesn't feel like it has power, and you notice that you're going really slow in traffic and you can't get the vehicle to go more. That's an indicator that something pretty serious is wrong, and you don't want to have an accident by having your vehicle stall on you. So I would say that there are safety items, there are urgent diagnostic needs, and then there are maintenance needs.
How would you differentiate, like with brakes and tires, for example? Like when is it urgent versus when, hey, it's more just this is on your radar for future visits type?
Okay. So let's talk about tires just for a minute.
Yep.
It is urgent when you look at your tires and you see no tread. Okay. It looks very smooth. That's very urgent. Sometimes you will also see little metal cords sticking out the side. That's urgent. So you want to take care of tires right away. Again, this is what keeps your contact with the road. If you come in for an oil change and you haven't had an alignment in a year or 15,000 miles, that's not as urgent, but you want to do that. That's one of the most missed maintenance items that are out there actually, is an alignment, because the alignment will keep your suspension components good. It will keep your tires wearing evenly. It'll save you from that premature wear. So that would be one of those. I got to do it now when I see my tires, really visually see how bad they are and what can wait or could be more convenient when I have my oil. Brakes would be if you are hearing your brakes squeal all the time. You don't have to touch the brake pedal to hear your brakes squealing. That's an indicator that the pads are thin enough that it's touching the wear bar, right? So a lot of times people think, when I use my brakes, they squeak, so my brake pads must be gone. It's really opposite. So you may hear some squealing noise when you're using your brakes. It might not be all the time. But if you're driving down the road and you're hearing the squeal noise, that means your pads are too thin. So now we're looking and talking about metal on metal. So that would be a more urgent brake issue versus, okay, I'll have them look at it when I go in.